everybody, we're here in Fort Henry, my parents. Parentals. Thing that I wanted to do is a ghost tour, but that's I think at night. And this is our view, so we're just chilling around here until we get to our fort and you get to see it too. Like, it's about 10 minutes by drive from where we stayed. We stayed at Marina Village Resort, which is very convenient, about 5 minutes from the main street. So we're just gonna check out this area. It's actually really pretty here. Here at Lake George. So I'll show you around. Oh my god, that was so much fun, like the ghost tours.
Oh, to investigate paranormal things?
Yeah.
He did an episode over here.
Oh, he did? What did he say?
He says that, you know, he did feel pissed out.
Like,
He didn't feel like there was some presence.
he didn't feel it?
No, he said he did.
Just like when we went to Williamsburg, that remember?
Yeah, that was crazy. I still remember when I took a picture, there was like
Are we almost all down here? Yep. I'll take it as a yes. So.
oh, sorry. rum. Hey, Mom.
Good job.
Thank you. Thank you guys.
We have the military. Later, we have the military. We have the museum here.
You know, they had something like this in Dubai, like a well like this.
Our people, why they are important is because they are going to join the British military.
Fighting in the British Army, serving an English king who speaks German as his first language. Alright, the politics are confusing.
Present fire.
Oh, I knew it's that.
Again, this is something that happens often
Oh my god.
for a third time. So let's see if this works. And you can shoot it whenever you are ready. I'll just say it. Take care. Make ready. And whenever the spirit moves you, fire. Fire. Now the job of the private here is done.
My video. They're still open. I can't wait to get root beer. Fish sticks?
Fish stick.
Wow, that looks really nice actually. Yeah.
The name, put love.
We're at A&W and we got chicken wings with barbecue, honey mustard, and french fries.